Hi, I'm Fireworks today. It's so dark that the video can't even see it, Dad. It's so dark that the thing can't even see it.
Yeah.
See if you can get a close shot here. Okay, my dad's walking over there, so now you can't see anything. We've stuck outside. Yeah, all like that.
Oh!
Ditty. This is our garden. Yeah, it's very dark right now. I'm so sorry, but it has to be like that. So yeah, my dad's right over there, and it's like. See it.
Look, there's 5 on, get 1 free.
Whoa, boy! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! I'm not going to supposed to just let you know it's just fun today, and that's why we're doing all fireworks, and because it's supposed to do fireworks. All the smoke there, you can't see it, so we just damn it! That's stars up here. I just can't show you. There's millions of stars up here. It's so cool. Okay, my dad's lighting up. Whoa! Did you see that? Did you see that? Up there. So now you can just see it, guys. I didn't know that was coming. Other people are doing it out there. So yeah. Do one that actually launches up then. Do one that launches up. Okay. Okay, see ya when it's done. What are you doing? What are you doing, cows? What are you doing? Only light here. Only lights. He's digging it. So we can't see, guys. It's too dark. Way too dark. Yeah, he's planting it. Ready? Like a fucking ball hammer. Just like that. And here's a baby snail. You can't see it. Well, maybe that's that. You snail have to go. Oh.
And what is this, by the way?
Ready? Say.
What is this?
Okay, it's lighting it. Go, come on.
Oh, go on, do that again. I enjoyed that.
Dad.
It was all talk, but nothing.
Yeah.
Reminds me of Callum.
Don't laugh at me.
I'll get some sticks. I'll put it down.
Keith, look out. Why is it all dark?
It's getting all sad. Open the door.
Okay. Yeah. Does it take any difference? Come on, you can do it, Dad. You can do it, Dad. Yeah, so dark. I'm so sorry, guys, that you can see it.
Stephen, I've got a light.
Whoa! There's so many stars here. It's unbelievable. I'm so sad that you can't see it, guys. Like on that first person view. Kind of. Okay, you can do it again. Come on. Video here. Might be the first part. I don't know. So yeah. Caught another one. Just run! Run, you say it, Dad. Run with slighted. Just run. Done.
Don't pray for that, guys. Get off the top.
Baby, you're
Look, I'm sorry, they're only chest
fine.
bumps,
Come
they're
on.
not
Can I let you call? Hi, Beth. Hi, Bethany. Hi, Polly. Hello.
Callum, you're not helping anymore.
Is this
Hang on.
See. What? Whoa! More like it. Whoa! Oh, so much smoke. I'm standing here. That was awesome, right, guys? This is the first part. There's going to be a second part, okay? See ya.